Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Bharati Vidya Mandir. Here to start first lesson, reading and analysis of maps. In this lesson, I am going to start maps made by Hecataeus, Ptolemy wall maps, maps by Olydrasi. Now come to the topic, maps by Hecataeus. The great Greek geographers like Anaximander and Hecataeus of Miletus and Herodotus also prepared world maps by arranging the places from east to west and north to south. Their ideas were similar to the Babylonians, who believed that the earth was a round disk surrounded by ocean water. They traveled widely and wrote down description of the land and people and their histories. As you can see, they placed Greece in the middle of the map. See, look at here in the middle. They also divided into 3 continents. In this, they also divided into 3 continents. First, Europe. Second continent it is Libya. Africa it is. And last one Asia. So they also divided the world into 3 continents, which were separated by the Mediterranean Sea. The Greek and the Roman very much interested in making maps. Since they wanted to conquer the whole world and also wanted to carry on great relationship with the other places. For example, Alexander, who was the great, wanted to conquer the whole world into India about 2300 years ago. These maps were very useful to him. The Greeks tried to make maps accurate with the help of latitudes and the longitudes. Preparing these lines accurately was not an easy task and it took 2000 years. Let us see how this was done. They tried to find out set of places where the midday occurred at the same time. There was joined with a line from the north to south. This was the meridians or noon lines or longitudes. They also tried to draw latitudes by joining places which had equal length of shadow at noon. With the help of these 2 kinds of lines, they drew a grid on the map and located all places from east to west and north to south along these lines. Preparing these lines accurately was not an easy task and it took about 2000 years. Finally, get correct longitudes and latitudes. The next topic is Ptolemy world map. Ptolemy, one of the most famous geographer of the ancient world, who prepared detailed map of the world using these latitudes and longitudes. World maps prepared by Ptolemy, other Greek geographer, they give more information about the Europe and the other neighboring countries. They also placed in Rome in the center of the map. They also give more correct information about places visited by sailors and traders on the coast of various countries. But Romans did not know their interior places. Next, Olydrasi world map. Al-Idrasi is the name of famous Arab mapmaker who prepared world map for his king in 1154. On his map, legends written in Arabic. Al-Idrasi map showing the Eurasian continents fully. and shows the northern part of the African continent and the lack details of the southern Africa and Southeast Asia. There are many interesting things about this map. Firstly, it shows the south towards the top of the map and the north towards the bottom. It places Arabia prominent in the bottom. Thank you, children.